Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Standard 8 History Lesson 10. Lesson we are talking about the nationalist movement. And already we have completed the lesson. So now we will have exercise. So let us begin the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the Arms Act of Dice forbade Indians to possess arms. Option A 1878, B 1879, C 1877, D 1876. Answer option B 1879. Second, All India Muslim League was founded under the leadership of Dice. Option A Badruddin Tayabji, B Dadabhai Nauroji, C Nawab Salimullah, D Muhammad Iqbal. Answer option C Nawab Salimullah. Third, the Indian Association was founded by Dice. Option A Surendranath Banerjee, B G Subramanya Iyer, C Ananda Charlu, D Firoz Shah Mehta. Answer option A Surendranath Banerjee. Question 4. Who among the following was not an extremist? Option A Lala Lajpat Rai. Option B Khudiram Bose, C Bipin Chandra Pal, D Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Option B. Answer Khudiram Bose. 5. The first session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by Dice. Option A Gopal Krishna Gokhale, B Mahatma Gandhi, C W.C. Banerjee, D Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer option C W.C. Banerjee. 6. Morley Minto reforms are also known as Dice. A. Government of India Act of 1906, B. Government of India Act of 1907, C. Indian Council Act of 1909, D. Government of India Act of 1908. Answer option C. Indian Council Act of 1909. Exercise B. Match the following. First, Tilak. Option C. Home Rule League. Second, Gaddar. Option A. Revolutionary Party. 3. Swaraj. Option F. Self-rule. 4. A.O. Hume. Option A. INC. 5. Swadeshi. Option B. Belonging to one's own country. 6. Turkey. Option D. Caliph. Exercise C. Write T for true and A for false. First, the INC was formed in 1882. False. Second, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a moderate leader. Answer false. Third, Swaraj means self-rule. Answer true. 4. The Morley Minto reforms were introduced in 1909. Answer true. 5. The partition of Bengal was done to ensure administrative efficiency. Answer true. Exercise D. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, name any two newspapers and how they played an important role in awakening nationalism among the Indians. Answer. The two newspapers are the Hindu Patriot and Amrita Bazar Patrika. These newspapers in English or local languages voiced the aspiration of the people and became powerful instruments for spreading national consciousness. Question 2. What was the role of revolutionaries in the freedom struggle of India? Answer. Apart from the moderates and extremists, there was a group called revolutionaries who believed in the use of violence and forced to out the British from the country. These people organized secret society and used firearms and explosives. Abhinav Bharat Society in Maharashtra and Anushilin Samiti in Bengal were the two important revolutionaries who killed several British officers. Question 3. What is the significance of Surat session of the Congress in the freedom movement of India? Answer. The Surat session of Congress of 1907 was a major event as it caused a split in Congress, and the event is also called as Surat split. It led to the formation of two groups: moderates who believed in the policy of settlement of minor issues with the government by deliberation, and extremists who believed in the agitation, strike and boycotts to force their demands. Question 4. Mention the main demands of the Muslim League. Answer. Aga Khan and Nawab Salimullah met Viceroy Minto for permission to start a separate organization. The All India Muslim League was thus founded to promote the interest of Muslim community. They demanded a separate Muslim state in India. The two-nation theory, the belief that Hindu and Muslim were two different nations who could not live in one country. Question 5. Why did the Congress split into moderates and extremists? Give reason. Answer. There was a meeting of Congress in Benares. It was presided over by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The Congress pledged full support to the Swadeshi movement, but the moderates leader criticized the movement. The moderates and the extremists differed on many issues. For the extremists, Swaraj means independence from British domination, whereas the moderates wanted more partition of Indians in the administration. Thus, at the Surat session, the Congress split into the moderates and extremists in 1907. Okay children, these are the question answers of this lesson. Please write the question answer with the objectives and submit the copy for corrections. Children, if you like my videos, Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye bye.